That song, yeah. I know every girl I gonna like that song, yeah. Cause I know every girl can skin out and some girl pussy stink the blood. Big dick for wine pan. So because I'm strictly ridiculous, what a man to borrow and have to come from Bahamas. I need a nice big strong man for wine pan little bit. One of Are you on this? Climb up, let me. Oh, God, the next girl let me. I'm gonna be a girl let me no man for right now. That's the mama's girl let me up, man. I like it. Oh, but you too young. I want you to look young like you must still virgin. How's a man? Yeah, man? Where you from?
Bahamas.
Where in Bahamas you from?
Nassau.
You from Nassau? How old are you?
21.
I'm gonna tell us you look like a little virgin, man. That one you look like him too young, you know. Looks so deceiving. Wanna say try him same way? 21-year-old can manage me? What about you? Where you from?
I'm not from Bahamas. I'm from New York.
You from New York? Anybody here from New York? Let us try the young one first. I've never fucked a 21-year-old before. So I want to test it out and see how it would have feel. Roll out the sheet! It's like a threesome. We're gonna step back. One at a time.
I know you like the way I wind between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheet.
Stop with the light and the tear up the sheet. Please tell me what come from underneath. So we never do it when you're under the sheet. Bye bye, tell me if I tear up the sheet.
The man I say me smell good between the sheets.
Oh, 15 minutes here live I perform. Big up the students and the can't change. The proud are. The grace here round of applause to the people. The grace here round of applause to the people. Can I hear the best system? We know it kind of people, we are keeping real. Bronx, you're there. Father Buckler, big up yourself. Anyway you're there, you know your birthday come up. People, don't forget, big up the control of people in our house.